Traceable Designer no-sew home decor kits include traceable design forms used to make custom window valances and matching table accents without sewing. No pattern reading, sewing, or DIY experience needed. And best of all, these easy-to-use no-sew design forms are reusable for unlimited home decorating. Traceable Designer offers a complete line of no-sew home decorating kits, including layered panel cornice valance kits, elaborate lambrequin valance kits, traditional pleated and gathered curtain kits, a swag scarf and whimsical blossom valance kit, and a deluxe no-sew master decorator kit. Most kits are available in both multi and single style options, and all kits include matching table accent design forms. These revolutionary no-sew valance design forms help you create perfectly shaped, professional-looking valances to fit any window size, shape, or design style. Use standard cotton fabric or home decor fabric to make valance panels. Select fabric to match your decor, then use the included fusible fabric backing to add lining to your fabric sections. Trace around the design form edges, then simply follow the trace line to cut out your valance panels. Hang your valance using a standard metal curtain rod. Now anyone can make impressive, professional-looking custom valances using no-sew valance design forms, an iron, a pencil, and scissors. When custom no-sew decorating is this easy, why settle for less? Make your mark with Traceable Designer.